Learning to rise above a broken system, to find my free, hail men, ascend past being a shattered victim. Don't you know they obtain bloodstain and pop champagne and celebrate because they have attained parts and pieces of your bloodline, your heart, arteries, and veins? They want to take pieces of your brain. Are you insane? You better wake up. Do you smell the grains being cooked on the stove? Can you envision the steam rolling as you pour and mix, as you go, as you roll, as you flow? We gotta wake up and know that this ain't no game. They wanna treat us like we are the same, but no, busting out the frame.